Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And of the I think the mission is to agree on certain principles. The first principle is that countries and Arab can solve their problems without international intervention, because they live in one geographical region, they have mutual history, they have mutual culture, they understand each other very well. So whatever dialogue and discuss these problems in detail, and they can solve these problems. So this is the first principle. Problems should be solved in other countries should be respected. I mean, there are certain specific features that some countries have, other countries do not have. Diversity, and these features should be also respected. We have to understand the problems. We have to study these problems that are threatening the Islamic world, and these problems should be solved immediately by joint effort. This effort done by all Arab and Muslim worlds. I think the reason is to countries like countries. I think they have the potential to provide a very bright version of Islam and a very bright version of coexistence and toleration, and the diverse countries make them powerful. They should not be abused by international maybe forces that their own interest. So we can, I think the region, the countries of the region and the people of the region have the power and the potential to grow, to develop and to solve these problems. We are for this actually. We look forward to having an Islamic Union and a union that bring all these countries together, be economically, educationally, politically as well, powerful and stable.